Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you are well. Tron.bz. In this video I will review new TRS mining site. Please full watch video, otherwise you cannot understand how can work on Tron.bz. First, to create an account, link provided in description box. Open description box and click below link. Tron.bz site will be open. Fill up all your information, your mobile number, your password and your security password. Fill up CAPTCHA. Click on sign up button. Your account will be created. After login your account, latest announcement show. You read all information about this site. Telegram customer service, Telegram group, all in provided in description box. Registration reward 5000 TRS. Minimum investment is 5 TRS. And daily earning is 3%. And you want more 10 earning, you should deposit on above this amount. 3.5% daily. Similarly, your deposit above this amount 4% for 5%, 6% and 7%. And second is promotion investment. Similarly, promotion investment is 2% daily for 3 days and $5 similarly investment, and second is 5% for 16 days. A minimum investment in 500 TRS. And any member join your downline and investment you earn more 10. For first level is 10% and second level is 5% and third level is 2%. How can deposit in Tron.bz? The first is deposit option. Two option, transfer to basic account and second transfer to promotion account. The first purpose is you daily withdraw according Singapore time, Sri Lanka time, and second you withdraw principal and income upon maturity after 3 days, after 16 days according to planned duration. And click on this option TRS icon. In promotion all link deposit. The first is 3% daily, 2% daily for 3 days. Minimum investment is 5 and maximum investment is 500 TRS. First you can deposit on promotion account and fill up and buy this plan. Security password here put and click on participate in investment. Your account, your deposit will be activated and your plan will be activated. And similarly, you earn more 10. Click second option, 500 TRS minimum investment, 16 days plan, 4% daily, and third plan is 500 TRS, 19 days and 6% daily. But I am investment in transfer to basic account. Copy TRS address and go your personal wallet and send amount. And click on TR and click and send option. Put Tron.bz address and put your desired amount. Click next option and you confirm your withdrawal address and amount will be accurate. And click password, put password and click on confirm option. Your take withdraw from your personal wallet. And I am take withdraw. Copy your address for withdraw from Tron.bz. And be sure click on recharge complete option, otherwise your deposit will not be shown. 5 TRS minimum investment and 5 to 10 minutes for recharging confirmation requirement. And you want earn more, and click on share option and copy your referral link. Share with friends. Any friend join your downline and investment you earn more 10. You want all information about your team, click on team option and your all information provided in this option. How many members join your downline and how much deposit. And you want convert promotion balance into the basic balance, click on transfer to basic account and put your desired amount and put your security password. Click confirm option, your promotion balance convert into the basic balance. And how can withdraw from Tron.bz? Click on withdraw option and put your desired amount, your TRS address and security password. After click on confirm option and check withdraw stay receipt in my personal wallet. Link provided in description box. Any issue, contact with Telegram service and WhatsApp service of admin of Tron.bz.